You're...
Reconform the pipe and use a temp weld for now. Out.
Will do, Pop. Holy Pop! Do you see this?
I do. Stay still.
Okay. But you know my motto. The bigger they are, the better I make them fall down.
Not this time.
If you say so.
Stay calm, big sister. I don't believe that creature can even see you.
What kind of critter is it?
Well, basically, you're looking at a really big sea worm.
Huh. It's gone.
Yes, I'm watching. Good thing you're wearing that suit.
What are you talking about?
I didn't know they could do that. Sit tight, big sister.
What happened?
The worm ingested you.
Well, wake me up when they get here.
Gil, SandDab.
Watch SandDab on Fliptopia.
Watch Darren and Oslo on Fliptopia.
Hey kitty cat, why so glum? Why not turn that frown upside down and smile? You're in Fliptopia, the channel that makes you happy. It's all in how you look at it. Fliptopia, it's a state of mind. Enjoy your life. Watch Fliptopia on YouTube.
Hi, I'm Penny. Have a harpy day.
Don't breathe. Wait. Breathe.